whoever ends up buying this vehicle is gonna get a custom one-off Monksee Street Rovers. These are the Street Rovers from Monksee with the Burberry clad in the back and then the black for the carpet. So they'll get a matching his and hers shoe set. We're finally getting ready to finalize this Range Rover Classic build. We're getting ready to head over to our local mall, South Park Mall. We're gonna go to the Burberry store to complete the build. You'll see the surprise there. Does that sound right to you, Christian? Not a song you recognize.
No, that's way too modern. You're like 3 decades off. Jesus Christ, gotta explain everything to this guy.
A little lost.
This is not the right road.
Calm down.
Okay, no, Marcel, you know this is the problem now. Now we are, he does this thing.
You're lucky I don't take you downtown for coffee first.
Yeah, well, no. Well, I don't really have a lot of time for that. It needs to be long. I get this is practical, but it needs to be long.
Long.
Oh, Jesus Christ.